Okay, I just finished the front end of the school website. So this is just how it looks. So this is it here. This is the landing page. This is the menu with a hover effect, a colorful hover effect below it. Then this one now is our programs, like, and also a hover behind it. Okay, these are the school views. This is the facilities. This is the school facilities. The school facilities. Okay, this is testimony, what our students say about us section. And this place is enroll your child. This place someone can just contact us. On this contact us, you take him to contact us page. And this contact us page, we added a map to aid people, to help people to easily locate the school. Let me still go back and finish up. So this is it here. And this is the footer. This is the footer with so many with well designed footer. This place here, this is where people can subscribe to the website newsletter to be receiving updates about the school. This is its blogs, portal, like the rest of them. So this is the contact address, 14 Okigwe Road by Keneji area, Abia State. So this one now is, let me check the about page. This is the about page here. This is the about page. So this is the simple. This is about us page here. Here is meet the board of directors with the hover effects. Like once you click on it, you'll be able to see the person, the name, and also the details here. Looking so fine and appealing as well. Also the footer in every page. Let's go back to the programs that we offer. This is just a simple design for the programs that we offer. The programs that we offer. So then this is the blog page where they'll be posting updates about the school, like regularly, to be updating people that will be interested to read about the school program. And then this is the post category. This place here is where they'll be seeing categories, like someone that wants to just come and go to maybe one particular category in the blog. You have student life, alumni success story, educational trend, community outreach, sports and athletes, admission and enrollment, parental involvement, and technology in education. So this is a sample of how the blog post will be. This is the sample picture, then blog title, then the blog itself. So here I added a comment where someone can easily add his comment here. After you must have finished you can just drop a comment by entering a let's just say your name. First of all, enter your name here, enter your email, enter your email. Then here just enter your comments. Then after that you click on submit. Then let's go over to contact us page. This contact us page has a map. I added a map here to help people to easily locate the school. Like this is the location of the school, and this is where the school is. From here you can maybe easily get locations. If you are coming from a far place, you can, like, behind the school, have places like Inspired Church International, Tony Mas. These are locations that's close to the school, which will help you to easily locate the school. Then this is the address, the 14 Okigwe Road by Ekeneji area. Then this is the contact address. Then this is when the school is always open, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Then here is where you have to enter, like if you want to make any inquiry, you just have to enter your details here. Enter your name, enter your email, then enter your subject of your message, just like when you are sending email. Then this one now is you type your message and send. Why this one is sending, I added some PHP here so that if you don't enter all these things, it will let you know that you have not filled all the empty fields before you can proceed to submit the listen here. So let me go over to portal. This is the portal, the school portal here. From here people can log into the school portal, which the backend guys will work on. So this is it. I made it so that the login and register can be in one place, and it's well designed and it's so appealing. Like if you want to switch over to admin login, you can just click on this and the hover effect will take you over to the login section where you enter your email and your password, then you log in. If you forgot your password, this is where you click, then it will take you to where you recover your password back. If you want, if you are a new member, you can just click here and you register. So this is it. Then let me check for the website responsiveness. If responsiveness with other devices, the website is it's very responsive. As you can see, it's responsive for all devices. This one here, this is it. This is it here. I believe you saw what I did here. This is what I did here. This is what I did here, so that if you come here and probably just come here, instead of the menu being in one place, you can just click here. This is it. You click here, it will bring out, then you click here, you take it back. Though I need to change the color of that X so that it will be visible. I'll do that now. So this is it. When you are registered now, you have an account, you just have to click here, it will take you back to where you log in. So this is it. Let me check other pages so that you see how responsive everywhere is. Let me go over to contact us here. As you can see, it's very responsive and user friendly, responsive for all devices. This is it here. This is the footer. This is the footer on smaller screen devices. Let's check the blog page. This is the blog page on smaller screen devices. Here's it here on smaller screen devices. This is it. Let's click here. Convert to the space. Okay, it's looking so nice. This is it. This place is the home. Everything is looking so fine and responsive as well. Okay, this is it here. Let me check this one. Blog page. Let me check this blog page so I can see how responsive it is. This is it. Looking so fine. These are the categories below it. So that's it. Just for the backend guys to work on it and implement the whole function, which I believe will not take them if they give it their time. As a week is okay, or a week or two is okay for them to finish it. Then we'll purchase domain for this and make it to go live. So that's it for this website.